Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video I will show you how to import bookmarks into Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are switching from another browser or have a bookmarks backup file, Firefox makes it easy to import your bookmarks in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First open Mozilla Firefox. Next, click on the application menu in the upper right corner. From the drop down menu, click on bookmarks. After that, click on manage bookmarks. Alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard to open the bookmarks library directly. In the library window, click on the import and backup button on the toolbar. Now you will see several import options. First one method is importing bookmarks from an HTML file. If you have previously exported your bookmarks from another browser or from Firefox itself, choose import bookmarks from HTML. Now browse the file, select it and then click open. Firefox will import all the bookmarks from the selected file. Now check bookmarks var folder. You can directly drag it to the bookmarks toolbar to show it. Otherwise, you can also drag one by one links to the bookmark panel to display them. In case bookmarks panel does not appear on your PC, right click on the toolbar and here select bookmarks toolbar and then check this one option, always show. Next one method is importing bookmarks from another browser. If you are switching from another browser, click on open application menu on the top right corner, then here choose bookmarks, then click on the bookmarks manage bookmarks. After that, click on the import and backup button, then select here import data and other browser. Now select your browser you want to import from, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or another supported browser, and then click import button. Here you can see bookmarks, saved password, browsing history and autofill data has been imported successfully. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.